making my second album, I wanted to play the Spanish guitar with my friend Manuela, but sadly, I didn't have time to learn it. I do also play the triangle, though.
And what about you, Gulliver?
Don't mind me. I can't play anything. It doesn't matter. I'll go home and you can all play in the band. Sure, no one wants a seagull in their band.
Don't be ridiculous, Gulliver. Of course you'll be in my band.
Simon, I can't play anything.
Well, that's simply not the case, Gully. If you can make a sound, you can be in my band.
If you can move around, then you can make a sound. And if you can make a sound, well, then you can be in my band. Let me tell you how it is. You can shake a maraca like this. You can beat a drum just for fun. Let's make some noise, everyone. The tambourine may be your thing, or you could bring it home on the xylophone. You could beat your rhythm with rhythm sticks, or use a triangle to play the hits. If you can move around, then you can make a sound. And if you can make a sound, well, then you can be in my band.
Do you know, when I was in Italy, we used to make our own instruments. We made them from things that were being thrown away.
And how did you do that, Diva? I've never heard of anyone making their own instruments.
Let me see if I've got them here. I know I saw them somewhere. Oh. Now.
These are wonderful, Diva. Look at this box full of pebbles. Listen to the sound it makes.
And these panpipes are made from straws.
And this is my favorite. It's a guitar made from a shoebox.
I will have such fun today. We will have plenty to say. I will write some songs to play, and Simon says I'll guide the ships coming our way so they can sail into the bay.